What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, we're going to be focusing more on investing as we talk about which stocks are big time buys after all these stocks have been falling after coronavirus. Coronavirus is the biggest thing in the news right now, and it's brought down the economy drastically. Huge losses in the stock market, unprecedented. We haven't seen this type of downward movement in the stock market since the Great Recession of 2008. This is crazy. However, for many long-term good investors, all we see here are deals, value. We see great deals to get in the stock market right now, and some deals we believe are better than others. But guys, before we get into it, I just want to let you know that 98.4% of our viewers here on Business Buzz are not subscribed. That makes me sad. So please go down and subscribe. I promise we don't post more than once a day, and usually we don't even post that much, and the videos that we do put out, you're gonna love. So let's get into it. Number one, Zoom Video. This is a video conferencing company similar to Skype where you can make video conferencing calls. Guys, Zoom is selling right now for about $115 per share, and it's actually went up 9% since the coronavirus has hit. And, to be honest, Zoom seems like a corona-resistant stock. So if you have the mindset this corona thing might be here to stay for a while, well, Zoom might be the stock for you. Remote working strategies are increasingly important, and people are starting to realize that more and more as travel is becoming more restricted. Now, I understand if you're wary to buy a stock that's gone up since corona, so let's focus on three other stocks that have gone down. Number two, Apple. China is huge in the manufacturing for many of the parts in Apple's products, so of course, coronavirus has affected Apple especially. Their stock has plummeted about 10% in the last month, mostly due to the coronavirus. However, because this virus is probably not going to kill us all, might be a good time to buy. Apple is also a dividend stock, and dividend stocks are great to own right now with the coronavirus because we don't know when these stocks are going to recover. But if you invest in a strong company like Apple that's probably not going to get rid of their dividend, which is only 1%, you're still going to get a dividend, and you know that for sure, almost, unless it goes away. And that's really important to have when stocks are plummeting. And also, of course, Warren Buffett. I mean, he's probably the best guy to copy in the whole world when it comes to the stock market. He's obviously still holding on to his Apple shares, so why wouldn't you buy at the dip? If he's going to hold, buy at the dip. Number three, Occidental Petroleum. Right now, it's selling for around $27, and it has plummeted about 15% since the outbreak. That's a huge hit, and what they do is petrochemical manufacturing. So basically, they work in the oil and gas industry, and that industry as a whole has taken a huge hit since the corona. So investing in a strong stock like this in that industry is a great idea. This stock is currently below the price it was at during the 2008 recession. It bounced back then, and it's probably going to bounce back again, so take advantage of it. Number four, Nike. It's down 15%, and I'll tell you why. It's because they're involved in China. Their stock has taken such a hit, they're down over $17 billion in their total valuation. Now that's a lot of damage. Nike relies on China for over 40% of their profits. The upward mobility that they have in China is huge. It's their biggest that they have in any other country. China is the most profitable geographic location for Nike right now. And of course, China is the most affected by this virus. I think currently the stands at China, there's about 80,000 people affected, whereas the rest of the world, it's about 9,000. Nike, of course, has a great brand and a great business model, and it has stood the test of time for a while now. So we can probably guess it's going to bounce back. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know down below what stocks you think are the best to buy right now after the corona hit, or are you going to wait a little longer? You know what I mean? Are you going to stay cash heavy for a little bit longer? Let me know what your plan is. Anyway, catch you guys next time.